welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me. I appreciate it. Today we have a Mini Cooper that had a misfire. Customer was going to try to check it out himself. He's had a couple of the coils break off down on top of the spark plug. So I'm going to bring you guys along for this. This should be an interesting chore. So like I said, we've got this one here. Looks like just the boot came off of it. This one here has had the boot come off as well. It does look like there might be a little something extra down on top of there. I'm not sure. See if you guys can see this or not. If you look down in there on top of the spark plug, that one and that one, there is parts of the coil pack down on there. So what we've decided to do, customer wants to do, and I think wisely so, he wants to go ahead and put OEM coil packs back on this thing and see if that takes care of our misfire. He said that he's just put new spark plugs in it, so I don't think that that's gonna be an issue, but he wants me to get these coil packs, or he wants me to get the pieces down off the spark plug and put the new coil packs on it for him, because he doesn't have a way of getting that out of there. So let's get you guys here where hopefully you can see something, and we'll get pliers and try to get that pulled out of there. Get my new Astro light here. I've had these for a while, had one that give out, so I called them up, and literally their warranty policy is you send this one back and put on the note that you send back with it, with the receipt and everything, you put on there, please replace, and they'll replace it. They send me a new one. Very painless, easy. Not sponsored, I just like them. I love these lights. All right, let's get down in here, see if we can pull this out of here. See, I might have to see if I can get my double long reach pliers down here. Please don't. Thing's stuck. And that might be why. We'll just go ahead and turn the spark plug out of there while we're at it. I believe what might have happened, might have had an issue with the spark plug being loose, and we've got exhaust gases that made it past the spark plug, therefore causing extreme heat to the bottom of our coil pack. And that's why it's not wanting to come off. Get this spark plug out of here where we can reach it. Come out! Threads are a mile long. There we go. Ooh. Yes. As you can see here, yeah, we would have never got that out of there. I'm out. Okay. All right. Yep. Spark plug still looks okay, but it was not tight, so that could have been part of our issue. All right, let's see what the other one is. If that one's loose, we might have come to a conclusion. Yeah, maybe not. Okay. This one. Spray this down in on top of there. Might give us a little bit of an advantage. Slippery advantage. Please come out. Okay. Please come off. It's not loose, I believe, so let's... I'll be turning for the next hour and a half. I'll be back whenever this comes out. It's out. All right, I'm gonna get this thing off of here. I'm gonna try to get these things back in there and see if we can get this car running for him. All right, using a 9/16 12-point socket, we're gonna gently, or just drop it down in there because it didn't have anything to hold it. Then we're going to torque these to 240 inch-pounds. And we're going to verify that the others are at that point as well. 240 inch-pounds or 20 foot-pounds. Factory calls for 20 foot-pounds of torque. Grab our snap-on torquey wrench. Oh no, we went to 242. All right, we've got our high quality Delphi technologies. They look the same. The plug-in's the same. Oh wait, they're shorter. It's because the boot is gone. Yep, everything's the same. Okay, let's get these installed. But first, we got to get ourselves some dielectric grease. Somewhere there. Starting to run out. This tube has lasted me several years. All right, just a little dab on the end there. That'll help keep us from sticking. All right, now Plug these down in there. Please don't do that. Okay. Number 2. Make sure it firmly goes down in there. I didn't have that one in there right. Get our retainer down. Okay. Firmly seated. Firmly not in place. There we go. Click. Now, nope.
Well, the shop's still standing.
Do what?
The shop is still standing.
It is. Still standing.
All done.
All done. Alright. Now, let's see if she runs.
Hit it?
Hit it!
Do you want to?
Nope, hit it. You know how to plug the key in? And then push plug. Ow! Not misfiring. Alright, that concludes our video for today. There is a little bit of a noise in the back. I know this thing's got some timing issues of some kind as well, so yeah. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. If you could, I would appreciate if you guys could share, like, tap that like button. Most of all, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this. Doesn't cost you a dime. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Till the next one.